Hello friends, in this tutorial we discuss about extension manager tool. You can choose it from large tool set. Extension manager. Here in the home button you can see all the extension list. So here the extension name and the next author name and the next enable or disable. If you want to disable, just click is disabled, then apply changes. If you want to enable, just enable. Okay, in this arrow you can click. Here you know all the details about this extension. After that you can choose manage. Here you can update. Otherwise, if you want to uninstall, choose anything. So I can uninstall this. So uninstall, yes. So this removed. This way you can uninstall anything. So here in the bottom, install extension. So here you can choose any installation files in your folder. So that file must be Ruby file or BZ. So after choosing that file, you can open and install. So various websites available for extensions. Many of extension plugins available in extension warehouse. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.